Welcome to our video on adding parts to a service repair order job line. In the Service app, click the Service Repair Orders tab located in the navigation bar and select the desired record. Ensure you have the current job line selected and go to the Parts tab. Use the Parts search to look up the part number, description, or manufacturer from the Parts Master record. Once the part is selected, its description, along with company, on-hand, and currently available inventory counts will be displayed. Enter the quantity required and any necessary comments. The total price will be calculated based on the quantity and any applicable discounts from the pricing strategy. Click Save to add the part. After adding a part's invoice line will be generated and displayed. Each part added will create a new invoice line. To order a manufacturer-specific part, click the New MFG Order button under the Parts tab. Enter the order name, adjust the status and type if necessary, and click Save. Select the parts and quantity you want to order and click Save. Once the MFG order is created, it will appear under the Parts Order Lines header with a color-coded status icon for quick reference. To create a new purchase order from a supplier or vendor, click the New Purchase Order button under the Parts tab. Choose a vendor, select a shipping method, and specify a required date if applicable. Click Save. Select the parts to order and optionally enter the expected service start and end dates. Set the quantity to order for each part and click Save. The purchase order will now be displayed under the Purchase Order Lines header with a unique order icon indicating its status. You have now learned how to add parts to a service repair order and create MFG and purchase orders.